All right. This week we're going to talk about subjects. I know this slide says subject and predicates. We are going to work on both. This week we're going to work on subjects, and next week we're going to talk about predicates. Jack went to the circus. Jack saw the ringmaster. Jack saw the big elephant do tricks. Jack heard the dangerous lions roar. Jack watched the tall man juggle. Jack laughed at the silly clown. Jack loved the brave acrobat. Jack enjoyed the show. Jack wants to join the circus too. What did you notice about the sentences? Yes, all the sentences began with Jack. Look, Jack went to the circus. Jack saw the ringmaster. Jack saw the big elephant do tricks. Jack heard the dangerous lions roar. Jack watched the tall man juggle. Jack laughed at the silly clown. Jack loved the brave acrobat. Jack enjoyed the show. Jack wants to join the circus too. The sentences are all about Jack. Jack is the subject of every sentence. All sentences have a subject. The subject is who or what the sentence is about. The subject can even be more than one word. Mom bought tickets. Mom is the subject of that sentence. Who bought the tickets? Mom bought the tickets. Mom is who the sentence is about. Dad bought peanuts. Who is this sentence about? Who did something? Dad did. Dad is the subject of this sentence. The ringmaster welcomed the crowd. Who welcomed the crowd? Oh, the ringmaster did. The ringmaster is the subject of this sentence. All the people clapped. Who clapped? Oh, all the people clapped. So this is an example of it can be more than one word that is the subject, because it is all the people. That's who the sentence is about. It's about all the people. The subject is what or whom the sentence is about, while the predicate tells us something about the subject. Next week, we're going to focus on the predicate of the sentence. The rest of your activities in grammar for this week are going to be all on the subject of the sentence. And the subject of the sentence is who or what the sentence is all about.